Hello listeners, hello video viewers, welcome to English with Alex channel. The topic number 24 is job names. Part 1. Accountant, architect, artist, astronaut, astronomer, author, babysitter, baker, ballet dancer, barber, bartender, businessman, butcher, carpenter, cashier, chef, cleaner, coach, constructor worker, deliveryman, dentist, detective, doctor, electrician, computer programmer, engineer, estate agent, farmer, fashion model, firefighter. Thank you for watching, bye for now, and see you next lesson.